What's going on, everybody? Quick how-to video. Something I did not find on YouTube when I was trying to hurry up. On the side of a highway, that right there, 2007 Chevrolet Tahoe. Okay, I was actually towing my ATV on the trailer, and as you can see right there on the front of the ATV trailer is a flat tire. So had a flat, and then I thought, where in the heck is the jack and the tire iron on this vehicle? So I went to the usual places, and I'll show you guys. So I got out and I said, well, if I was a vehicle manufacturer, I would put it in this cubby, I would think, right? So I open the cubby, and guess what? Absolutely zero, right? So I'm like, all right, well, maybe the other side. Well, that side don't open. So then I ended up having to Google search the location, and I found it. So I wanted to do it real quick. That way you guys can see. If you got third row seating, all you do is lift up on the lever, seat falls forward, and without any sort of arrows or anything, it is in there, guys, inside of there. I believe there is actually a little logo right there, which is ridiculous. How in the hell are you going to see that? But all you do is there's a handle right here, put your hand underneath it and pull it up. Even though you feel like you're about to destroy your vehicle's interior, it does in fact pop open. And guess what? Inside you will find your jack and your tire iron in the hole. So you guys can tell there's a wing nut up there that takes away the that right there. That undoes the jack and the extension, the tire iron and the jack handles, extensions, and then there is your jack, and it is actually pressed up against this piece of metal right here. So you just take your hand and turn the knob until it relieves the pressure up against that tab and pull it out. So anyways, without going through it, because it was a pain in the rear end to put back, and as you see, we're going to put that back in its place. I got a little lip, push up against that side and then push down, and it pops in. And I hope you don't have to keep doing that. I hope you do not keep having flats, because I can only see that lasting a handful of times before it's real loose and flopping around and all that other good stuff. But anyways, guys, like I said, I wanted to help out who might have some heartaches with trying to find the dang jack, tire iron, and the extension for your Tahoe. So there you go. My new Tahoe, I got it for all my trade shows and driving on the highway and all that good stuff. I got it in the actual two-wheel drive, not the four-wheel drive, because I already have four-wheel drives. I got my 2500 HD, aka the Skulldozer. We got my wife's Toyota FJ Cruiser, so if there's any inclement weather, I got vehicles. I wanted something I could take on the highway that was big, comfortable, but yet didn't kill me on gas. So I opted with the two-wheel drive Tahoe with the 5.3 in it. And it did pretty good. Made it all the way to Texas and back. $390 in gas, guys. That was a good trip. Last year I went to Texas with my 2500. It cost me $800. But anyways, hope the video helped you out, guys.